This is Main Street, Vestal, New York. Unlike many main streets that have a lot of businesses and retail on them, the town of Vestal, New York, only has some churches, a graveyard, and some doctor's offices at the far end. Other than that, Main Street is mostly, unlike many main streets, residential. Now, as you can see over here, as I have already pointed over this way before, this bridge over the Coconut Creek, one of two bridges on Main Street here, is under repair because of some major water damage from this year plus past years of flooding, and hence the detour on Main Street sign. But the town of Vestal is a beautiful area which has a lot of things going on, and this is a busy traffic hub despite not having a lot of businesses. Oh yeah, well, there is one business. There is a grocery store, Weiss, over here. Other than that, retail businesses are pretty sparse in this particular Main Street. More of it looks like this: houses and a few businesses. There's a financial thing. There are a few businesses in the town of Vestal on this, but and plenty of churches. There's at least this is a small church here, but there's actually 4 or 5 major churches further down Main Street. So Main Street, Vestal, not like any other, except in a few areas, because this Main Street is not dominated by businesses. It's dominated by churches and residential houses. This is the town of Vestal.